This is the new Waldhoff Multimatic II. It is powered by a Japanese Miyota 9100 automatic multifunction movement. This movement has subdials. The left subdial will show you the day of the week. On the right you have the month. You have a 24-hour hand at the 6 o'clock position, a date window, and a power reserve indicator. This indicator has a scale of 0 to 40, which roughly translates into 40 hours of power reserve. This watch is automatic, and hence it has a winding rotor in the back. So this will add some energy to the movement while you wear it through the motion of the arm. You can also wind it manually by turning this crown here and turning it clockwise. And while you're doing so, you will notice that the small hand right here is slowly moving towards the maximum position. Now, mechanical watches don't always have to be fully wound. As a matter of fact, watches that are always fully wound, they will tend to tick a little bit faster. And it's true also for the opposite. If the watch is almost completely depleted of power, it will tick a little bit slower. There's a number of people who inquired about using winding machines for their automatic watches. Using winding machines is not recommended because it can cause accelerated wear on the mechanical gear of the watch. So if you have a watch that's always in motion, you have all these gears creating friction among themselves, which leads to potentially accelerated wear and tear on the mechanism. Now I'm going to show you how to adjust the day and the date. You just pull out the crown one notch, and by turning it counterclockwise, you will notice on the left subdial it will change the day. If you turn the crown clockwise, you notice the date will change. There we go. Now, with many multifunction movements, you do not want to change the date between 8:30 p.m. and 2 a.m. You also don't want to change the day between 11:30 p.m. and 4 a.m. Doing so might cause damage. I'm going to post a link to this subject in the comments below. Now, to change the time, you want to pull out the crown 2 notches and turn it counterclockwise like this. There we go. Now I'm going to show you how to change the strap. You're going to set down the watch face down on a soft surface, something like leather or fabric, and you use something like a plastic credit card, and you're going to find this little metallic lever on there on the strap, and with this plastic card you can push it inwards and the strap comes off. I'm going to do it here again. Same process. I push inwards and the strap comes right off. It's very fast and easy. Now, to put the strap back on, you want to first put the end of the spring bar in the opposite lug, like so, and then with your nail you will pull inwards the lever. And there we go. Same on the other side. I put the end of the spring bar in the opposite lug, and there we go. You want to slightly pull on it to make sure it's properly fastened. Now, if you plan on not using the watch for a longer period of time, let's say you're not going to use it for a few months or maybe a year, you want to come in occasionally and manually wind the watch, like so. You also want to give the watch a different position than it was in. So let's say if it was in this position for a month, you want to occasionally flip it upside down. The reason is the lubricant inside the movement will tend to move downwards towards the lowest position due to gravity. So to keep the oil evenly distributed, you want to change the position of the watch once in a while. I hope this tutorial was useful. Feel free to ask me any questions below. Thank you.